Pro-level features for serious cooks and running gig creators. When you showcase the NuWave Pro Chef on camera, frame it as the unit that sits between kitchen gadget and small restaurant gear. It's portable but built to a commercial standard, offering up to 1800 watts, a large 8-inch heating coil for bigger pans, and an exceptionally granular temperature control system. NuWave advertises 94 program temps from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments, plus programmable presets and on-the-fly adjustments so you can adapt during a live demo without losing a beat. For a vlog that allows you to run a serious test, demonstrate a low and slow confit or jam at a controlled low temp and then pivot to searing at extreme temps. The difference in retained juices and crust will be visible on camera. The Pro Chef is also NSF listed in some SKUs and marketed toward commercial users, which is a nice credibility signal you can mention if your audience includes caterers, pop-up chefs, or foodpreneurs. Pricing tends to be above the cheapest portable picks and below heavy-duty commercial ranges. Historically, this model sits in the higher mid-range because you are paying for the larger coil, long temperature span, and programmability. User feedback is largely positive about its stability and programmability. Many buyers use it for precision cooking and professional prep, while typical caveats are the higher cost versus basic burners and the need for correct cookware size to get the most from the 8-inch coil. As a closing call to action, say who should buy it? Serious hobbyists, small food businesses and creators who need repeatable, market-ready results, and signpost the link. We share by links in description box.